Good morning, dear students. Today we are discuss the next topic of Indian economy is poverty. Dear students, first of all, we are give the definition of poverty. Inability to fulfill the basic requirement of life is called poverty. Clear? Inability to fulfill the basic requirement of life is called poverty. Dear students, the basic requirement include food, shelter, and clothes. When the people they don't able to fulfill the food, shelter, and cloth needs, then we can say that is poor. Now we have discussed the types of poverty. Dear students, we have two types of poverty: relative poverty or absolute poverty. Dear students, what is relative poverty? So when we compare the one country to another country, one region to another region, and the region is per capita income is below in comparison to another, then we can say that is poor, and that is called relative poverty. Next one is absolute poverty. Dear students, absolute poverty is measured with the help of poverty line. Clear? What is poverty line? It is a cut-off line divided the people poor or non-poor is called poverty line, and it's measures on the per capita expenditure. When the people per capita expenditure below 1500 rupees, then we can say that is the people is below poverty line. Clear beta? And it is also, now we discuss poverty line. So you know that poverty line, the cut off line which is divided the people is poor or non-poor is called poverty line, and the poverty line is always measured with the help of per capita expenditure. When the per capita expenditure 1500 per month, then we can say that is called poverty line. Clear? Dear students, the next topic is cause of poverty. Dear students, we have a lot of cause of poverty. The first one is low level of national product. The national productivity is very low. The lot of people they don't contribute in a production process. They have a less income, then they don't able to fulfill the basic requirement of life, and then we can say the poverty is created in the economy. Next one is low rate of growth. The growth rate is very poor. Clear? The people they don't have a work, they don't able to contribute in production process. So at the moment the employment opportunity is less, and the per capita income production is low, and the low productivity is created in the economy, and the rate of growth is low, then the poverty is created in the economy. Next one, heavy pressure of population. Due to rise the population each day, then the people they don't able to fulfill the basic requirement of life, because it is always contribute the less in the production process. The employment opportunity is less than the growth rate of population, so its impact goes, the poverty is created in the economy. Inflationary spiral. When the goods price fastly rise in the economy, then we can say that is inflation, and a lot of people they don't able to fulfill the basic requirement of life because it is so expensive. Clear? So we don't able to fulfill the basic requirement of life because the goods and services price so high, because the demand is greater than supply, and supply of goods is short, and a lot of people they don't contribute in a production process, so its impact goes, the lot of people is poor, they don't able to fulfill the basic requirement of life. Next one is chronological unemployment and underemployment. Dear students, the lot of people, they have no employment opportunity, so they don't contribute in a production process, so they have no income and they don't able to fulfill the basic requirement of life, and they always stay below poverty line, and we can say create the poverty in the economy. Capital deficiency. Dear students, we in the Indian economy, the shortage of the capital is also shows the flow of goods and services is very low, and the people, they have no employment opportunity, they don't able to catch the job from the market. So at the moment they don't have income and they don't able to fulfill the basic requirement of life, and the people is stay below poverty line, and we can say the poor people is poor. Next one, lack of infrastructure. Dear students, we have two types of infrastructure. The first one is economical and social, and the both infrastructure is poor. So at the moment, a lot of people, they don't educated and they have no technical knowledge, so they don't able to, and they don't have able to catch the job, because they also sick, they don't healthy, so they don't able to contribute in production process, and its a level of income is low, and the people, they don't able to fulfill the basic requirement of life, and the people is poor. Next one, outdated social institutions. The people, they always follow the customs, rule, regulations of the tradition, so at the moment they don't try to use the advanced technology and advanced production process, so its impact goes the people source of income is they don't able to rise the fastly, and the people don't able to fulfill the basic requirement of life, and the people stay below poverty line, is create the poverty in the economy. That's cause of poverty. Clear? So today we are discuss two questions. First one, what is poverty? Briefly explain the types of poverty. Next question, what is poverty line? And next question, what is poverty? Briefly explain the cause of poverty. Clear? So you will prepare all questions on your fair copy. Clear beta? Thank you very much. Or you will shows your attendance daily. You will watch that's video, and you will shows your attendance daily, because your attendance is 75% is must show in the board. आप अपनी अटेंडेंस डेली शो करेंगे वीडियो देखने के तुरंत बाद, क्योंकि बेटा 75% अटेंडेंस बोर्ड में शो करना होता है, और वो मैं तभी शो कर पाऊंगा जब आप मुझे 75% अटेंडेंस शो करोगे। तो आप अपने डेली के डेली अटेंडेंस मुझे शो करेंगे। आपने वीडियो देखा, मुझे अटेंडेंस शो करेंगे। क्लियर बेटा? अपना हैंड रेज करके। क्लियर? ये क्वेश्चन आपने सॉल्व आउट कर लिया अपनी फेयर कॉपी पे। क्लियर बेटा? और वीडियो रेगुलर देखनी है, डाउट रेगुलर लेने हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।